Hey, this is Erica with WTI, and today I'm going to tell you about my new BFF, this Shark Ion W1 cord-free handheld vac. This thing is awesome. Honestly, I wish I would have bought one sooner because there are just so many uses for it. I'm a messy cook, so I probably use this vacuum the most in the kitchen to clean up those little spills. I also have 2 cats who shed constantly, and being able to use this vacuum on my cat tower daily has cut down on hair big time. It's also great to do those quick little touch-ups in your car in between trips. And then, of course, those everyday messes that are bound to happen around our house. There's no hassle of a cord, so it's quick and easy to clean up those messes. It also comes with a convenient charging station that holds the attachments, which is really nice because I always tend to misplace those. And you can just turn it around, slide it back, and it lives on your counter, always ready to go without taking up a lot of space. So if you're like me and you have a messy life, I think this Shark handheld vac would be a great addition to your home. It helps me out a lot, and I think it can help you out a lot too. But that's just my point of view.